Hey guys, Jason Schnitzer here with O.C Realtor Talk, and what I've got for you is our Cypress Market Minute for week 27 of the 2021 real estate market. So let's get right into statistics. Right away, what we noticed this week is we have an increase in inventory, almost double from what we're used to seeing. We've been anywhere between 12 and 20 active listings. We're at 30 on this day. 8 of them new, 6 of them pending. And interest rates are still really good, under 3%, hanging in there. So what does this tell us? What does this maybe show us foreshadowing of? If you've been watching our segment, you know that what we're paying close attention to are two things: our inventory and what interest rates are doing. So many people are asking us on a daily basis, hey Jason, Gary, where do you see this market going, the next month, the next 6 months, the next year? And geez, if I had my crystal ball, you guys would be the first to know, but unfortunately it's still in the shop. But in the meantime, what we do is we look at the real-time data. And what important data is our active inventory. Everybody knows that this is a crazy market. Prices have gone up, interest rates are low, but when inventory is going to start rising, when it does start rising, what that is just going to affect is economics 101, supply and demand. When we get more supply and that starts outweighing the demand, we are going to see more competition on the selling side of things. Depending on seller motivation, we might start seeing price reductions. Part of that is just plain out affordability. The more expensive a house gets, the less amount of buyers are able to qualify and afford that type of housing. So that's what we're, I think, starting to see right now. Of course, this is all newer data in the last week. And again, what's important about this for you guys as a seller or a potential buyer is the articles that you're reading online or in the newspaper, they're using data from closed sales from 2 to 3 to 4 months prior. So they're not going to have this real-time feel of statistics that we get here. These numbers and feels are based off of what kind of activity do we have on our own personal listings, our office listings, and inventory that's right now from our MLS numbers. And what's important about that for you guys is just like most of the time, in our case at least, our clients are making real-time decisions on what is most likely their most expensive asset. And it's our philosophy to arm our clients with as much information as we can so they can make the best decision on what tends to be their most expensive asset. Stay tuned. We are seeing a rise in inventory. The good news is the Fed came out and said that, hey, we don't expect to raise rates, even though inflation numbers aren't as good as they were hoping for. They're actually higher than what they predicted. We're not going to be raising rates until 2023. We really want to see this economy get back on its feet before we start doing that. So we're going to see good rates here, it looks like, for the next year, maybe 2. You never know. We've heard the Fed say things like this before, and then next thing you know, new numbers come out and then they change their mind. But as far as we're concerned, the market's still really strong, especially here in Southern California. So if you're curious about how your house stacks up in this 2021 real estate market, give us a call, send us a message, book a free consultation online. Got a lot of information for you over at GaryandJason.com. And thanks for watching the Cypress Market Minute. Catch you next week, guys. Hey guys, thanks again for watching this week's episode of O.C Realtor Talk. If you gained any value from this video, we'd really appreciate it if you liked, subscribed, and followed us on all our social media platforms.
Jason, I believe is really, really important for you, whether you're buying a house or selling a house, is understanding the process and knowing exactly what you're getting into. So if you ever have any questions, just follow the links below.